Hey guys, this is Mr. H. This is question 18 from the June 2024 Regents exam. As you can see, most of the students struggled with this one. Only 13% got it right. And I think the primary reason is a lot of students still haven't connected the fact that when they ask for the average rate of change, you're just looking for the slope. It's the same thing. I'm gonna put it in a different color. So this would be slope, but it's the same formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, that means that we need to find where does it start, where does it finish? So it said, what's the average rate of change in miles per hour? So basically this is where he starts, this is where he finishes. So we need the x and y coordinates. So this would be, of course, 0, 0. And this up here would be, let's see, it's between 5 and 6. So this is going to be the x value is 5.5. And the y value would be 55. So 5.5 and 55. So those are the 2 points that we need. We're going to start here and we're going to find the average rate of change over to there. So all we're going to do is I'm going to put AROC for average rate of change. So the first one, we're going to go 5.5 because ooh, Greg. Ooh, sorry, guys. That was messy. We're going to start with the y2 here, and then we're going to do y1. So it's going to be 55 minus 0. And then on the bottom, we're going to have 5.5 minus 0 down here. All right, so from here, we're just going to go to the calculator and see what we got. So let's use this. We're going to use a stack fraction. So this is going to be 55 minus 0, which is just going to be 55. And then it's going to be 5.5, 5.5 minus 0. Boom, press enter. And so the miles per hour average rate of change is 10 miles per hour. That's how you could do it. Now, let me go back here. If you didn't want to use this formula, or if you forgot the formula, although it's on the reference sheet, guys, it's on the reference sheet, so you'll see it. But now you could also just enter this into the spreadsheet and then calculate the slope for a linear function that goes through these 2 points, and it'll also tell you 10. So you could use the spreadsheet and just enter these 2 points here, and it'll calculate the slope for you. But I think it's pretty easy to use the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, but whatever feels comfortable with you. We got to get this 13% up. All right, I am going to sign off.